mula sa intelligence community na may high BI official ay tumanggap ng 200 million pesos mula kay Guo Huaping. Ganong ka panipaniwala ang ganitong impormasyon?
Madam Chair, dun sa amount po na 200 million, na nakakuha po tayo ng intelligence information with regard to the amount, pero with regard to dun sa tumanggap po ng that amount na isang BI personnel or associated sa BI, wala pa ho, pero we're still validating. We're part of the investigation, Madam Chair.
Kailan nyo na po mababalidate? Kasi nabanggit ko na po ito sa previous hearing at sinabi na rin po ng BI noon na iniimbestigan nyo na noon.
As the soonest, Madam Chair. But
When is the soonest, sir?
if we have a validated information, Madam Chair, we will submit.
Within several days?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Madam Chair.
How many days po? 3 days?
Um,
1 week?
I'm sorry, Madam Chair, but I cannot commit. I can only commit if there's a validated information, Madam Chair.
Of course, I understand that. So within a few days,
We will try, Madam
you'll
Chairperson.
try your best. Itanong ko rin, before Senator Joel, itanong ko rin itong parehong tanong kay General Villanueva. Kapanipaniwala ba yung ganyang impormasyon na mayroon daw mataas na BI official na tumanggap ng 200 million para patakasin si Guo Huaping?
Good morning, Madam Chair. Actually, ma'am, we haven't confirmed yet kung talagang may mga usap-usapan po within the intelligence community. Pero wala pa pong confirmation, ma'am, kung may mga witnesses na mayroon talagang nabigyan. But yun ang usap-usapan ngayon. They're still validating it, ma'am.
Ano pa po yung usap-usapan bukod sa general detail na yon na 200M to a high BI official? Meron pa bang ibang mga di umanong sinuhulan? Meron pa bang additional amounts na pinag-uusapan?
May pinag-uusapan na yung sa border immigration.
Mhm.
Hindi ko lang alam, ma'am, yung exact amount, including PNP officials.
Mm.
Pero hindi ko pa rin
Mhm.
confirm yun, ma'am. Kasi I'm outside of the loop lately, ma'am, because we're busy right now helping the law enforcement agencies running after the illegal pogos in the countryside or in the provinces.
Alin pong PNP units ang binabanggit sa usap-usapan?
Hindi PNP unit, ma'am, but personalities.
PNP personality. Sino-sino po?
I think it was mentioned the former chief PNP.
Which one?
I don't know, ma'am, but former chief PNP daw.
Wow. All right. Salamat, General Villanueva.